The blood in his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and a god in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like music over. She gets down just like music over. Run the block, she not coming shine. So that bitch bad, watch her blow. Back it's away.
What is wrong with him? Qu'est-ce que tu attends? Baby. My baby did that. He did that, okay? My baby looked real spotty. So I just left Trader Joe's and I got my mom and my grandma some flowers. Only thing I'm missing is roses. So I got some lilies, some baby breaths, and I forgot what these are called. Damn, I forgot what they roses, and then I'm gonna put together a bouquet for them. It's gonna be so pretty. It was only $20 for all of this. So if a nigga say he can't get you flowers, baby, all of this costs $20.49. That nigga is lying. Just get a new man, okay? Get a new man. I used to sell these for my basketball program in high school. It's so crazy because we used to eat these bitches up. My mom liked the pretzels. I mean, not the pretzels. I like the pretzels. She liked the turtles. This is a tortilla chocolate. It's so good.
Yes, perfect. I'll do
She done gave me another one of these chips, y'all. Damn, this shit good. I should have got me some of them, but thanks again. I just gotta go find some roses for. Why am I holding it like this? I'm just gonna find some roses to put the bouquet together. So I'm gonna get these and just split it up in two for both my grandma and my mom. Bro, these bitches was $32. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Trader Joe's whenever, but they didn't have no type of flowers today at fucking of course. For my ladies. My camera died on me, so I'm on my iPhone and I am finished. My brother-in-law dropped off this package, and then this is her chocolates for me. And then I made her a bouquet of roses and flowers and I've been cut out meat, but I just haven't been eating some of the stuff that I'm used to eating because, of course, it has meat in it. So I'm just trying to find different alternatives for it. But I just gotta add the diced tomatoes, the tomato paste, and the sauce. But y'all, tell me that don't look like ground beef. Like it would look more texture if I had some mushrooms in it, but I hate mushrooms. This is all walnut. Like, oh my goodness. It looks just like regular spaghetti sauce. I need to taste it and see what I need to add. Man, we should be good. For real. This looks so freaking good. Oh, this is so beautiful. They are biking.